Hey everyone, welcome back to WeeklyTools, where we bring you the best in auto tech and tools. Today we're diving into the BOSSCOMM IF742, a powerful and affordable OBD2 scanner that might just be your new garage essential. Let's get into it. Okay, let's talk about features. The BOSSCOMM IF742 is an upgraded version of the IF740. Not only can it perform all the tasks of a standard OBD2 code reader, but it also expands upon the existing oil and throttle resets by introducing 4 new reset functions: ABS bleeding, EPB, SAS, and BMS. The IF742 Scan Tool's DDC lookup translates fault codes into clear insights instantly. Its IM readiness simplifies emissions checks with one click, while freeze frame rewinds to the fault's exact moment for precise root cause analysis. Complemented by a unified data stream dashboard and advanced diagnostics like O2S Monitor, OBMON Test, and EVAP Test, it empowers you with comprehensive, multi-layered vehicle insights. The IF742 diagnostic tool supports 73+ global car brands and 13 languages, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts, auto shops, or gifts. Its one-click auto VIN reading instantly retrieves vehicle serial numbers, simplifying diagnostics for users worldwide. Whether for personal use or professional needs, this versatile tool combines ease and precision. The IF742 diagnostic tool is lightweight, comfortable, and features a 7-inch screen for effortless use. Its intuitive menu makes navigation simple, while Wi-Fi upgrades keep it current. Snapshots capture data instantly, and diagnostic history is accessible anytime, all without subscription costs. Pros: user-friendly interface, fast response time, supports all major OBD2 protocols, durable build with solid cable, great value for the price. And cons: no Bluetooth or app integration, not suitable for advanced diagnostics. So if you're looking for something to just handle engine diagnostics and emissions readiness, it's excellent. But if you need to dive deeper into systems like airbags or tire pressure, you'll want a higher-end model. If you're interested in the IF742, I'll drop a link in the description below. And if you've used this scanner or have another favorite, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and car tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.